Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the essentials. Buy a domain and pick hosting that supports PHP 7, 4 or newer and adequate memory. Once done, install WordPress and force HTTPS by enabling SSL, then set permalinks to postname for clean URLs. Next, choose a lightweight theme that fits your layout goals and immediately create a child theme so you can safely customize code. These steps let you iterate quickly and avoid breaking updates later, so make sure each is completed before moving on. Now you turn designs into pages. Use the theme customizer or a page builder to define header, footer, typography, and global colors so the site looks consistent. Create reusable templates for header and footer and a homepage template to speed production. Install targeted plugins, an SEO plugin for meta and sitemap, caching for performance, image optimization for faster loads, and an automated backup tool. Then configure each one. Once your templates and plugins are set, test responsiveness and accessibility on multiple devices. You finish by populating core content, homepage, about, contact, services, and legal pages, and add working forms and clear CTAs so visitors convert. Then enable caching, connect to CDN for global speed, and install analytics so you can measure behavior. Schedule automated backups and one-click restore. Check basic security hardening like limiting logins and updating file permissions. If something goes wrong, use the latest backup to roll back. Then debug plugins and theme conflicts by disabling them one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.